How to save an audio file from WhatsApp on Android 16. First of all, you need to open your WhatsApp application and any voice message you have will be available here. From here, you need to download it first. As soon as you download it, the download will be completed. Now I'll show you where that voice message will be located. How can you convert it into a secure folder so that you can access it later or access the audio? So here you can see that this audio has been downloaded. Now, what do you need to do next? You need to go to the My Files option or folder. From here, you need to go into internal storage. Here, you have to search for WhatsApp audio. You need to search for this, and as soon as you do, you see two options. One for WhatsApp audio and another for WhatsApp business audio. Now the message I received on my WhatsApp is in WhatsApp business audio. You can check according to your own situation. As soon as you click on it, you'll see that your audio file is here. For example, you can see it arrived at 2:50. Now at this precise moment, the time is exactly 2:51 and the essential audio file you're looking for is conveniently located right here, readily accessible. You have the ability to perform a long press action on this specific audio file, allowing you to move it from its current location. Once you have moved it, you can then securely paste it into any secure folder of your preference or choosing ensuring its safety and privacy. And with that, this concludes today's video presentation. I sincerely hope that you found it enjoyable and that you truly liked the content we shared.